Hello and welcome back to ms.craftsalots Lair. I am Barbie. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator out of Wisconsin in the United States. And today I'm going to show you how to make a card. I'm starting this off kind of differently because the fact that I do not have enough materials to make this card twice. So I'm not able to go, this is what I'm making. Join us in making this. Watch me make this. It's not going to work today. So that being said, today we are using a piece of crumb cake, which is my go-to crumb cake. It is 8.5 by 11 and 8.5 by 5.5. He scored at 4 1/4. That's my kind of go-to. So why I had an issue remembering that and spit out the wrong, I don't know. Anyway, so this is actually, I am not intending on stamping this card at all. So what I am doing is I'm going to be using the World of Good Memories More card pack and the World of Good Designer Series paper 12 by 12 sheets to for this card. The World of Good Memories and More card pack comes with a bunch of, let me see if I can get these dimensions here. You get card pieces that are 3 by 4, and then you have pieces that are 5 by 6. So these are able to be used on, well, I will show you how I'm going to use them on card fronts. They can also be used, and they are designed for scrapbooking, but that's a whole other thing. And it also comes with 4 pages of stickers. So this is the sticker sheet we're going to use today. And these are all of the fun stickers that come with that. And they're shiny, and I'm trying not to blind you with the glare. And then this is one of those cards in the pack. It's the Explore More. And then I am going to be using this 12 by 12. So, yes. So if you're in North America, this one you can cut down and kind of fussy cut to show where you're at. I am not so worried about that right now. But I am going to cut this so that it is basically, cut it down. Part of me wants to go the full front. Part of me wants to, I'm going to go we'll go 4 inches. I think that would get, it's the 1/4 inch smaller than your card front. So I think I'll go that route today. So it will be 4 inches by, oops, I'm off camera here, 4 inches by 5 1/4 inches. I'll go with the Atlantic Ocean part. And I could have totally gone in for another cut and been closer to my actual area. So, and then I'm going to need the cutter again, because I am going to go ahead and trim down this piece around the words. So we don't need that entire huge piece. Trying not to get my head in the shot here. Let's see if I can work this. I'm going to turn this around, because then I can see a little bit better. This is where I'm getting So I'm going to get that so that it's in there and then kind of move it up just a hair. And my guess is this is going to be about an inch. So let me take a look and see where that would get my cut. Oh, no. I'm going to go to 3 centimeters. Because it'll cut off the globe if I... Oops, that's my scoring bit. There we go. So now I have a couple of pieces of the black that I can use. And so I'll start off by using the Stampin' Seal, which I'm really actually coming to love. It goes on, well, if I wouldn't have flicked at that. I'm still trying to get used to how to get it to stop, so then that way I can just not have to feel like I have to coax it out of them, but I'll get there. I'm not good with change, so it takes me a little bit. I guess it's kind of one of those things, can't teach an old dog new tricks. It takes me a little bit. Anywho, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to do that little ribbon end trick. So cut it up half, how far you want to cut your ribbony edge in the middle, and then cut from the corners to the end of it, if that makes sense. I've gone into it more in other videos, so I don't think I need to hammer it in again to you guys. So this goes exactly right across. I love it. But I want to make sure that my globe sticker, so these are all stickers, which I think is really cool. At first I'm like, it's one of those pop-out deals. I don't want it straight. I guess it could go straight on top. Straight on top or kind of crooked down towards the bottom. I'm going to go kind of crooked towards the bottom. And then go ahead and adhere this on. And this is a way to just kind of use your, it's a different way to use your memories and more set, so then that way you can get more use out of it if you did not have a particular if you didn't have room for it in your scrapbook, or if you or just didn't want to use it as a scrapbook. So I'm going to actually line this up towards the edge of the DSP, and I am going to go right in there and put it down like that. And there you are. A quick, fast, simple card that is Stampin' Up, but no Stampin'. So it went nice and quick for us. So I'll let you get a better look at this. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this project, please like, share, subscribe, and watch more. You can find links to my Stampin' Up store, blog, dimensions, and the product list in the description below. Until next time.